Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to a research, life is equal to 50% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skills by following the best learning methodology. That is, do it yourself and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, which is truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both the technical skills and human engineering, Irfan Institute offers a course whose title is Popular Softwares for Developing Presentations in Windows Operating System. It is introductory lecture of this course, and here I am your instructor Nazia Jahan. One of the primary goals of this course is learn to smile and appreciate. Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the nearest meaning, "Your smiling in the face of your brother is charity." Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for us in all fields of life. Therefore, we should practice this sunnah and always try to keep smile on our faces. So now, let's move to the lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will give introduction to instructor. Then I will present course aims, course learning outcomes and course content. After that, I will discuss course development and teaching methodology. So now let's move to the first part of this lecture, that is introduction to instructor. Recall the equation of life. Life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Inshallah, I will present my profile both in terms of human engineering and technical skills. But here it is a brief introduction about my qualification. I hold MPhil degree in computer science from ComSat University Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan. Currently, I am working as a teacher and researcher at Irfan Institute, Lahore, Pakistan. I am also a member of Natural Language Processing Research Group at ComSat University Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan. If I talk about my human engineering skills, I have 1 year experience of team lead in developing high quality presentations. I have 2 years experience of membership in NLP Research Group at ComSat University Islamabad, Lahore campus. If I talk about my technical skills, I have 1 year teaching experience and 1 year research experience at university level. I am good in Python and C++ programming languages. I have a good presentation development skills using Microsoft PowerPoint 365. So now, let's move to the second part of this lecture, that is course aims, course learning outcomes and course content. An important question is, why should we learn to use the popular softwares for our developing presentations? The possible answer to this question is, presentation development softwares help us to quickly and easily develop high quality presentation for a wide range of real world tasks. Therefore, it is important to know which softwares are most suitable to plan, design and develop high quality presentation in Windows operating system. Course focused. The focus of this course is to understand main characteristics of 3 most popular and widely used softwares for developing presentation and learn how to download, install and develop your first presentations on these softwares. Course aims. The main aims of this course are as follows. The first aim is introduce how to achieve excellence in both the technical skills and human engineering to become a balanced and characterful person. The second aim is introduce how to tell an interesting, connected and coherent story in a course. The third aim is introduce main characteristics, strengths and weaknesses of three most popular and widely used softwares for developing presentations. The fourth aim is introduce how we can download, install and develop our first presentations in three most popular and widely used softwares available for Windows operating system. Course learning outcomes. Inshallah, by the end of the course, a participant should be able to live and enjoy the blessings of balanced and characterful life by putting 100% effort with sincerity on daily basis to achieve excellence in both the technical skills and human engineering. Number 2. Understand main features of three most popular and widely used softwares for developing presentations and identify the most suitable softwares for a given project. Number 3. Understand how to download, install and develop presentation using various softwares for developing presentation. Number 4. Understand how the following approaches can be used to efficiently solve both the real-world problem and developing problem, including systematic thinking approach, identifying most suitable solution approach, completeness and correctness approach, divide and conquer approach, half-cooked approach, structured thinking approach, inverted triangle approach, and the last one, 100% effort with sincerity approach. Important note: to successfully achieve all the course aims and course learning outcomes, please do all to do and your turn task on time with truth, honesty and justice. Course content lecture by lecture. This course is fundamentally divided into three parts. The first part is introduction, which contains 2 lectures. Lecture number 1, introduction to course. Lecture number 2, basics of presentation. The second part of this course is popular softwares for developing presentation. This part is further divided into 3 subparts. The first subpart of this section is Microsoft PowerPoint 365, which contains 4 lectures. Lecture 3, Basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Lecture 4, Download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 for Windows. Lecture 5, Install Microsoft PowerPoint 365 in Windows. Lecture 6, Develop your first presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint 365. The second subpart of this section is Focus Key, which contains 4 lectures. Lecture 7, Basics of Focus Key. Lecture 8, Download Focus Key for Windows. Lecture 9, Install Focus Key on Windows. Lecture 10, Develop your first presentation using Focus Key. The third subpart of this section is Prezi, which contains 4 lectures as well. Lecture 11, Basics of Prezi. Lecture 12, Download Prezi for Windows. Lecture 13, Install Prezi on Windows. Lecture 14, Develop your first presentation using Prezi. And the last one part of this course is Conclusion, which contains only 1 lecture. Lecture 15, Course Main Findings, Conclusions and Future Work. Target audience. The targeted audience of this course is all the interested males and females candidates from any field of life. After discussing course aims, course learning outcomes and course content, inshallah, now I will present course development and teaching methodology. Course development methodology. This course aims is to tell a connected and coherent story using simple to complex step-by-step approach. Using this approach, this course is planned, designed and developed by following a 3-step process. In step 1, instructor will deliver a lecture. In lecture, instructor will explain concepts using related and self-explanatory examples. Therefore, in step 1, 100% work is done by instructor. In step 2, instructor will give to-do task to the student, which will be similar to the example taught by the instructor in the lecture. The student will solve to-do tasks using their own knowledge and concept taught in the lecture. Therefore, 50% work is done by instructor and 50% of the work is done by the students. After completing to-do tasks given in step 2, the student will move to step 3. In this step, the student will first find out the real-world task similar to to-do task. Then, they will find out more suitable solutions for selected real-world tasks. Therefore, 100% work will be done by student. It is important to note that to-do task and your turn task given in this lecture will serve as an assignments for the students. Course teaching methodology. This course will be taught by half-cooked approach, that is 50% of work will be done by teacher and 50% of the work will be done by students. In this way, both teachers and students will be putting 100% effort with sincerity to achieve excellence in both the technical skills and human engineering. This course is free. It is humble request to you to teach at least one person after taking this course and request him/her to do the same. After discussing course development and teaching methodology, now I will move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented a brief overview of instructor of the course aims, course learning outcomes and course content, course development and teaching methodology. In next lecture, inshallah, in the next lecture, I will present a detailed introduction to course. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.